Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change language in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to change language in Yahoo Mail, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. Once you open it, you need to now tap on the profile icon and tap on account information. Once you do this, open link in a browser, and once you open it, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. All you need to do is simply tap on personal info. Once you do this, you need to simply scroll down below where you can find the language section. So simply hit on the update languages and hit on the drop down menu bar. There you can select any of the language you prefer and then tap on save updates. Once you do this, your language on Yahoo Mail will be changed, so you can see that everything, every instruction, every information will come in the preferred language that you have selected before. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.